Hello students, how are you all? Students, welcome to online classes from Alpin Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, as you know, I have given the first lecture of chapter 10, Transpiration in Plants and Animals. The first part lecture has already been given, and this is the second part of that chapter. So students of class 7, you know very well this is a revisional video and revisional lecture which is being provided from my side from Alpin School. I am a science teacher, and today I am going to rest of the topic of this chapter, chapter 10, Transpiration in Plants and Animals. So student, in my previous video I have already told you that be safe at your home and go through the chapters, go through the lesson, what the video is going to you. Listen the video carefully and revise your topic properly. Okay, students. So let's start. Today, my the topic will be excretion. Excretion means what do you mean by the word excretion, student? So again, I want to tell you that excretion means removing out of waste material from inside the body to outside, that is called the excretion. To remove the waste material from inside the body is called excretion. In different types of living beings, there are different methods of removing the waste material, throwing out or ejecting the waste material from the body. So under this topic today I'm going to explain you about the excretion in animals. So student, what is the meaning of excretion that I have already told you, and the systems by the help of which the waste material from the body is thrown out. That system is known as excretory system. Few organs of the body work together to perform this excretory system properly. So, just for example, you can take that in human being. Okay, first let me talk about the human being. Our body removes the waste material from our body in the form of sweat, urine, faeces. So, removing all this waste material from the body, there is a requirement of various organs that helps to throw out or remove the waste material from the body. First, they collect and then they remove from the body. Just for example, the toxic waste material like nitrogenous waste material, uric acid, urea is just given out, discharged out from our body by taking the help of urine. Same way, the waste material, that undigested food part remaining of that undigested food part, that waste material is also given out through the body in the form of faeces. Okay, students, and the sweating which comes out through your pores of the hairs in your body, that is also liberate the waste material from your body. Same way, different organisms have got different sources, what you can say, different organ to release the waste material from their body. Just like in case of earthworm, leeches, and other such worm type of creature, their body contain a tube pipe-like structure present in the lower abdominal part, that is called the nephridia, through which it ejects, removes the waste material from their body. One more thing I missed. I want to repeat that Carbon dioxide also is a form of waste material which is removed from the we human beings. Okay, when we exhale the air after inhalation, the carbon dioxide gas just goes out through our nostrils. That is also the removal of waste in the form of gas, means which we release in the air when we respirate while doing exhalation. So the organs, just like kidney, okay, students, performs to collect the waste material, to filter the blood. So kidney is also an organ that helps in filtering the blood and removing the waste material through our body. In human being, carbon dioxide, water are produced as a waste products during the process of respiration. During the process of respiration, carbon dioxide and water are produced as a waste product during the process of respiration. As well as the faeces, that is the undigested food materials, that is also thrown out of the body, that I have already explained you. Next is to an excretory or urinary system in humans. That I want to say that there are few certain organs present in our body that helps in removing the waste material from our body. Those organs are kidney, urethra, urinary bladder, and ureter. So, student, kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra are the various organs in we human beings to remove the waste material from the body. These are the organs that helps in the excretory system. Next, student, let's talk about the kidney. What is the function of kidney? Kidney is, you can say, it is present in the human body in the near to west, and there is a tubes like structure which when blood reaches the kidney, it contains both the useful and the harmful substances. Blood carries in our body the useful as well as harmful substances, and when blood reaches the kidney organ, the kidney removes the waste from those blood by filtering it, and then send it through the ureters in the form of urine, which is collected in a urinary bladder. And from time to time, when through that urinary bladder, the urine ejected out of the body by carrying the waste material from the body. In an adult normal person, that is, in one day, a normal adult person could pass 1 to 2 liter of urine, and the urine contains 95% water, 2.5% urea, and 2.5% rest of the waste material like uric acid and ammonia. Now, suppose what will happen, student, if a person's kidney stops working, then what would happen? Then these waste materials which are being filtered by the kidney could not do the proper functions, and the waste material will remain in our body, and it will be very dangerous for that person, because that waste materials like ammonia, uric acid, that will remain present in their blood and will flow in their body. So in that case, that person have to take the artificial method of filtering the blood, that is called the dialysis. So dialysis is a machine, or is such a system made in which the blood of the person from arteries goes into the that artificial machine which is called dialysis machine. The blood from one vein enters into the that machine, and after filtering, the blood again returned back through the other veins in that person body. Like this way, that person's whole blood from its one veins passes through the pipe which has been entered by the help of needle in that veins. That blood will pass into that machine, dialysis machine, where that blood will get filtered, and again after filtering, the blood is returned back through another pipe and needle inside the body through other vein. This is to be done for filtering the blood in such case, in such situations, when if any person kidney stops working, not doing proper work of filtering the blood, in that case the artificial method of filtration is done by the help of a dialysis machine. Next student, excretion animals. Many animals also excrete their waste material through their different organ system. As well as now come about the transportation of material in plant. Now student, my next topic is transportation of material in plant. Just I have already told you that how in our body the blood carries the different oxygen as well as different energy to our whole cells, body parts. Same way in case of plant also. Just plant also need food, water, minerals, and this is the requirement to each and every cells of that plant. So in that case, just for example, plants needs water, so the roots of the plant absorbs the, or you can say takes pulls the water from the underground and passes through a special vascular tube that is called the xylem vessel. Through xylem, the water is conducted, carried to the upper part of the plant, and that water reaches to the leaves through the veins, where the leaves prepares the food by the help of the carbon dioxide, sunlight, water. It has gone through the roots, and after the preparation of food in the leaves, that food, again that food is to be transferred to whole part of the plant body. Then in that condition, in transferring of the food to every part of the body, plant needs one more different tube vessel that is called the phloem tube. So xylem and phloem are the two vascular system, two tubes that help. One helps to conduct water, and other carries the food materials after preparation of by after photosynthesis. The food that has been prepared is transferred to different part of the body by the help of the phloem tube. Okay, student, this is the transportation system in plant. So plant also requires certain things for preparation of food. Just for example, plants need water and minerals, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and chlorophyll, which is already present in the green plants. So, by the help of these things, the plant prepares food that you know very well, student. Now, students, one thing is that plant also excrete. Plant also remove the waste material from their body. For removing the waste material from the plant, how they do it? In that cases, few plants just put their waste material of their body in their outer bark portion, which is the outer part of the stem, and slowly the outer bark of the stem becomes dry, and they leave that stem part and fall down. While doing so, the waste material is removed. Same way, few waste materials are put in the leaves of that plant. Plant put few waste material to the leaves. and after few days the waste material which is present in such leaves become decolorized, means slowly color will become yellow, then brown, and then it will dry and break from that branch and fall down. Like this way the leaf is also a medium means of removing the waste material from the plant body. Next one is that transpiration. What is transpiration? One thing I want to say, evaporation and transpiration have got both the same meaning. The difference is only that evaporations take place from the earth surface, from the water surface, which is to be open. Just for example, the water that vaporize from the, what you can say, pond, river, lakes, or anywhere the water has fallen, and due to the help of sun's heat, the slowly that water will get heated and it vaporizes. So conversion of water into vapor form is called the evaporation. Something same happens in the plant body also. The root of the plant absorbs the water, it passes through the xylem, and after conducting it reaches up to the leaf. And due to when the sun heats up the plant due to its hot temperature, the leaves that has acquired the water from the root, when becomes heated, the pores which is present in the leaves, through those pores the water converts into vapor due to the sun's heat, and through that pores the water which has been converted in the vapor form removes out comes out through that pores. So if the evaporation process is happening in the plant body, then such evaporation process is called transpiration. Once again student, I want to repeat that. What is transpiration? The removal of water from the plant in the form of vapor is called transpiration. Now student, I have told you already excretion, how it has been done. Excretion is done by through its bark, through its leaves. Sometimes it puts its waste material, the plant puts its waste material in its fruit also, so the fruit becomes rot and falls down. As soon as it leaves the tree or plant, that moment it removes few waste material from the that plant body. So these are all in this chapter student. So I explained what the topic of this chapter. I'm just again going to recap this chapter, what I have explained in my first part video and second part video. In this video I have covered the portion of what is circulatory system in human being. Okay, means how the important or the useful thing which is to be required by the plant or human body, how they are circulated inside the body by the help of, just for example, in living creatures like animals and human being, by the help of blood, as well as in plant by the help of water and minerals through the root xylem, and after preparation of food through the phloem part, it is transported in the plant body and animal body. Next, in this chapter, I have explained you about the herd, the function of herd, its different parts. In this chapter, I have also explained you about the excretion in animals as well as plant body. I have also explained you about the how the excretion is being done in the animal, human being as well as in plant. Okay, students. So this is the revision of chapter 10. Hope so you have enjoyed the class, the revision class. Once again, I want to request you that be safe at your home and watch the video carefully, so that the topic that has already been taught in the class, it might help you to memorize it, re-memorize it after listening and watching this video. Thank you student. Have a nice day.